Hello everyone, today I want to show you guys this Black+Decker heat gun. This is incredibly well made machine. I've been using, I believe, almost like 8 years now, and it is doing really good job. I take care of it really good, and it's just doing really good. So I just want to show you guys, it has two different heat settings. Once you press this down, you will get it's still hot, but it's on the lower side, and you will see once you press this, it will blow way faster than the first one. So this is just a slower blowing, but it's still blowing the hot air. So I just want to show you guys, right? Let's say I have a label. Without this, I had to just do this, but if I have this, I can easily heat it up and just use with the knife. You can see it just comes out like you are taking a butter from its place with the knife. So you can see it also would be good to use for like hiding some information. Even if you don't want to remove the label, you can just use it, and it will just um, darken the label, and it will just hide the information. As you can see, the cable length is nice enough. I can work in my garage with my products really easily without any difficulties, and it's easy to hold in the hand. You can also place it like this. For example, if you have like, if you are running it, it can stay like this without like damaging something. So you can see it just really well made machine. I hope you guys will like it, and it will last long as mine. So thank you for watching.